guys, my name is Harshi and today I'm going to show you how to make an open terrarium. So let's see how. For a terrarium you need a glass jar, a glass, okay, it's like a glass in which you drink juices and all. Then you need some plants and you need a little bit of soil. It's wetted soil, I just wetted some time ago. Then you need some sand which has all sticks and all, like it should be natural. And then over here you have some pebbles. Then over here I have some snails. So these snails are which I captured from from my basement. So for the terrarium, first take the glass, and now what we're going to do is we're going to take the soil, okay, and then we're going to put it in the glass. So like this, we're going to just put the soil in there and make it look really pretty. Then we'll just add a little bit of this sand, okay. So this is how it's gonna look. If you want, you can see. I'm going to put a little bit of sand here. Then let's put a little bit more soil, like this way. Okay, then next we're going to put the plants also. So before putting the plants, let's just put a little bit more soil. This way. And then a little bit more sand or the mixture which we need. Like this. Okay. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take some plants. So let's start with the smallest one. So the smallest plant that I have over here is this. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to dig a hole in this and then so now once we're done with putting the plants in here, looks quite nice. What we are going to do is we're going to arrange the rocks. So let's take the rock and let's put one rock here, like this. Take some small rocks, put them here. There, like this. You can put some more, one here. So now next we're going to put the snailies. So you have to handle them really with care. So what I'm going to do is just slowly I'm going to pick that snail up. Maybe I'll just drop it here and pick the snail, and I'm going to slowly put him in. There you go. Then we'll take the next snail. So he's just topsy-turvy. I'll just pull him out. He's a little shy and he's not going to come out so easily, so it takes time. I've been petting them since the last month. So if you can see, they started walking. So this is our little terrarium, and make sure you give water like once in a while, and then make sure the snails don't go out. So thanks for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.